Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of consent. Give permission for something to happen. For example, he consented to a search by a detective. American pronunciation. Consent. Consent. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Consent. Say. Consent. Consent means, give permission for something to happen. Consent. Consent. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. All heads of households consented to the interview. Now, repeat after me. All heads of households consented to the interview. The second practice. The adjournment was necessary and consented to by both parties. Now, repeat after me. The adjournment was necessary and consented to by both parties.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.